Yeah. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Yeah? What else? You excited for the big games today? Yeah. And what else is going on? What else is going on? Can you smile for Daddy? Can you smile? No? Can you smile for Daddy? What do we focus on? Are we looking at the camera? Hi. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. We were so chatty just a minute ago. What happened to chattiness? Oh, you raising your hand? Okay, Nicholas. There's a smile. There's a smile. There's a smile.